Okay.
Let's try this again. Hi, I'm Craig.
I'm Donna. Good morning from Zion National Park.
Good morning. So we got up at the butt crack of dawn. It was about 5:20 a.m., still dark, in the RV. We were on the East Gate, which is a beautiful drive-in. You can also get here, obviously, from the South Gate, which is the more popular, and the North Gate. The North Gate requires, I think, the shuttle. The alternative to shuttling, because tickets are a bear to get for the shuttle, is e-bikes. And of course, we're big e-bike fans, so we've got our e-bikes.
Right, we got here about 7:30 this morning, and there was a handful of parking spots left. So you got to get here by 7:30.
Got to. It's absolutely, you have to get here early. I don't care what it feels like in the morning, but once you're here, it's so beautiful in the morning. It really doesn't matter. We did do a little drive last night through just to get an idea. From east to the west, it's about 40 minutes of drive, and it was dark.
Right, we're staying at the Zion Ponderosa.
Yes, which is a very cool campground.
It's super cool.
But this is what we're about ready to do. The Paris, I forget how, I guess that's how it's pronounced. We'll do a picture. Trail, which is bike oriented, up to Canyon Scenic, which is where the shuttles normally go. And I think that takes you to most of the big trailheads, including Angel's Landing.
We're just going to bike ride as much as we can.
Yeah, and hike as little as we can.
Right.
Here's a 360 panorama just to show you a beautiful sunrise. And back to Donna Bird.
Hey.
Hey, all right, ready?
Go.
This is the Paris Trail. Runs right through the campground from the visitor center parking lot, and roughly paved there, beautifully paved so far here. And I guess we go right through the canyons to Canyon Scenic Drive.
Brought to for the
Not in the park.
Well, the horses were going somewhere else.
Yes, they start somewhere else. So once you come to the lodge, this road, this trail becomes bikes and shuttles only, which is really nice. You just have to pull over when you hear a shuttle. This is the shuttle line. So we started down here. Wow, Zion Lodge 6. So we're here already. This is where Angel's Landing is. And then the Weeping Rock, Big Bend, and Temple, Narrows. We are at the end of this path trail shuttle line. Didn't take that long. I think, let's see how many miles it is. 8.6 total. So I guess that's something, but with e-bikes, it's really not a big deal. Fairly flat, so easy. It's not like you gotta go major climbing. It's just beautiful. I'm sure you can see a lot from inside the bus. But riding a bike, you're frameless. There's nothing between you and nature other than my sunglasses. So this is really the way to do it. If you're going to go and see it, we're going to probably go back to where the grotto trailheads are, that stop, and do some hiking. Well, that was pretty cool. At stop 8, there's a baby condor, California condor, and they have a telescope set up to go and view it. It's just spectacular everywhere you look. Sun hasn't even reached this yet. What trail was this then?
This is West Rim to Scout Lookout, which we'll be stopping at, because after that is Angel's Landing.
And we'll see it from
see.
there.
What you turn into when you land.
It's picture worthy. Everywhere you turn, right? Tarantula? He's so big he has a name.
I saw the bus driver talk to you. I don't know what she said.
Look straight up,
But
man.
it kind of took off walking. We just that's what you said.
It's just a huge wall.
Day 2. It's cold.
Very chilly today. It'll warm up.
Low 40s when we woke up, at least out of the campground. You come down here and it's 6-7 degrees warmer.
But it's super windy.
And we are headed towards Angel's
Landing, which we missed yesterday. We took a left when we should have took a right. So today we're doing it.
We are doing it. And where is it? Somewhere way up
I'm just
there.
preparing for it, taking off that sweatshirt now.
Are you? Because you're going to be ready?
Because it's like, yeah, I'm
You're going to be sweating when you...
pretty quick. So.
I can't wait to be sweating.
Next vantage point. Time to
Take a layer off.
get rid of a layer. It's a climb. It's a good climb.
Well, it's nice that it's paved. It's steep, but it's paved. So it's, you don't have to worry about uneven footing.
Yeah, just don't look down. Don't look down. Right?
Right? Don't look down, and then you won't have nightmares.
Entering phase 2. So I guess the first climb is over.
Right, the first climb was just like a little over a mile, according to my watch, 1.7. And this is more level. It gives you a little bit of a break.
Beautiful Slot Canyon. Land of 1,000 switchbacks. I think there's like 20 some.
Is that like a thing? Are they called
Yeah.
that?
No, it should be. I've named it
You named it.
after 100 and some years. That was a couple switchbacks.
That was quick hike. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I take a
Wanna go out there and take a picture?
Canyon. We were like in Sedona. I could see us doing that. There's no little way to get there from here.
Looks like a big vulture.
I'm hoping there's a condor or an eagle.
That's what I meant. It's a California
Nobody
condor.
wants to see a vulture.
Especially if they're circling over you.
Do what you want on vacation. I should have got that on video. That was brilliant. You guys have a good day.
My toes. Take a picture and I could just feel but you could see the.
The Flat Canyon.
Yeah. I've never thought myself was afraid of heights, but.
Oh, I am.
Well, there's afraid of heights when you're on a ladder.
Well,
And then there's one
I'm
when
not
you're
yet.
2,000 feet up.
Right, that's
This is
true.
a
I'm
whole
not
different-
afraid of
yeah,
them.
this is a whole different kind of.
It's not the fall, it's the sudden stop.
There you go.
What?
It's not the fall, it's the sudden stop at the end.
That's right.
Well, we made it.
We did make it.
I'm glad we did it. We weren't going to do it because we watched videos and our friends said how super scary it was and people die up here, which I'm sure they do. But it was definitely doable. You just got to watch your footing.
And not look down. Don't look down. That's the key. It's over 5,800 feet up. I mean, the view is unbelievable.
Definitely worth it.
One would say to die for it.
Oh,
Don't want to do it. So this is it, 360. Ready?
Eagle's Landing. I keep saying eagle, angel.
It's because you got an eagle's back. You're good.
You sure you can 360 that?
No, yeah, there's there's no way to escape people. We're all part of
A group
Yeah.
of survivors.
Team Survivor. Cute little guy. Guess where we are. We're at lunchtime break.
So we are down from the bottom of Angel's Landing. And we got a 2-mile hike back to the bathrooms and our bikes. So we're just gonna have some lunch.
What are you eating?
I did Nutella today.
Ooh, peanut butter and jelly or boysenberry?
No,
Huckleberry.
you didn't want huckleberry.
No, I'm going standard jelly.